Hey guys, Missy here. I'm so excited. I get a chance to talk to you about Microsoft Ignite 2020. It's coming up. It's just around the corner. I think we're less than 2 weeks away now, which feels like we're really down to the wire. So as you're getting ready for Ignite and the whole experience, I'm here to talk you through some tips and tricks and go over some ideas for how to help you get the most out of the new digital experience. If you've ever been or never been, don't worry, we've got you covered. Okay, so let's go over some of the things that you'll want to bring with you to Ignite. Of course, you want to bring some business cards. You want to have a nice, good stack because we are going to have a ton of opportunities to network, and the last thing you want to do is run out of business cards. I mean, that is really the worst. Okay, so handing out a physical business card isn't exactly a thing this year. But with Ignite going digital, you actually have the opportunity to connect with more people than ever before. So before you get online, make sure that your online presence is current, relevant, and looks the way that you actually want it to look. First, start with your LinkedIn profile. Obviously, this is the easiest way for people to find you. Do you have a recent profile picture loaded? Just make sure your profile picture actually looks like you and isn't something from maybe 10, 15, or 30 years ago. Second, complete your Ignite attendee profile form online so that other Igniters can easily connect with you on the platform. And finally, if you really want to take it to the next level, consider creating your own custom background to use in all of those awesome Teams meetings that you're going to be attending during Ignite. Don't forget some comfy clothes and shoes. I mean, the venue's huge and you've got to wear something comfortable so you can make it through the day. Okay, possibly my favorite part about Ignite going digital this year is the clothing attire that will be required. That's right, we can don our favorite Teams meeting attire, which really just means business on top and comfy on the bottom. Am I right? Okay, seriously though. You never know what might just happen when the camera is on. So, jeans, comfy jeans mind you, but jeans or khakis should probably win over pajama pants. But slippers? Well, who can fault you there? Okay guys, some final tips to bring some extra fun to this digital experience. Take advantage of the new digital format and get out of the office, whatever the office is, wherever the office is. Maybe tune in and stream a session from your deck or while you're walking around the neighborhood. Hey, it's a great way to get those steps in, right? Follow TASE on social media and join in some fun contests that might seem familiar and some that are brand new, including a Pets at Ignite contest. Oh yeah, that reminds me, don't forget to sign up to be a part of the show. TASE the show, the podcast that is. Join the architects as they break down all the news and exciting announcements from Ignite 2020, and you'll have a chance to be featured as a guest on the show. Check out taselabs.net for more information. Okay, there you have it. Thanks so much for tuning in for our tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your Ignite experience. As always, feel free to reach out to the architects at taselabs.net with any questions you might have. At TASE, our approach isn't just about technology, but about building your people so that technology actually works. Remember, if you ever have a project that you need to go 0 to 100, we can get you there. Okay. All right, thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you guys at Ignite.